answer. All right, so taking a look at example 2, everything is written in standard form and I don't need to add any zeros for placeholders, so this one's a little bit more straightforward. Setting it up, I'm going to get 3x plus 1, my division bar, and then I'm going to have 15x squared plus 8x minus 12. So starting the process off, 3x times what number is 15x squared? Well, to get from 3 to 15, I need to multiply by 5. And to get from x to x squared, I need to multiply by x. So 5x times 3x gives me 15x squared, which is good. 5x times 1, because I have to multiply that 5x into each of those terms of the divisor, the piece on the outside. That's going to give me plus 5x underneath. Wrap it in parentheses and subtract. 15x squared minus 15x squared is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3x. Now thinking about 3x from my divisor times what is going to give me the 3x underneath? Well, that would be 1. Oops, and I forgot to carry down the minus 12 here. There we go. So 1 times 3x is 3x. 1 times 1 is 1. Wrap parentheses around it and subtract. 3x minus 3x is just 0. It cancels, so that's good. Negative 12 minus 1 is negative 13. So my final answer is 5x plus 1 plus my remainder of negative 13 over 3x plus 1. You could have also said just minus your remainder and made that 13 in the numerator positive, and it would have meant the same thing. All right, there's one last problem, which is a little bit lengthier, so go ahead and give example 3 a try on your own, then press play to see the answer. All right, example 3, last problem of the day. So our divisor is x plus 2. Our dividend is 8x cubed plus 6x squared plus 0x plus 7. So hopefully you remember to add in the 0x because we want to make sure it's there as a placeholder for when we subtract x terms. All right, starting this one off like we do every time, right? This cycle is super repetitive. This x on the outside times what is going to give us 8x cubed, this first piece on the inside? Well, to get from a 1x to 8x something, I need to multiply by 8. X times what gives me x cubed would be x squared. 8x squared times x is 8x cubed. 8x squared times 2 is 16x squared. Wrap it in parentheses and subtract. I know I did it right because those first terms are canceling. 8x cubed minus 8x cubed is 0, which is good. 6 minus 16 gives me negative 10x squared. And carrying down the next term of 0x, I'm going to go through the process again. X times what is going to give me negative 10x squared? Well, to get from an x to a negative 10x something, I need to multiply by negative 10. To get from x to a power of 1 to x to a power of 2, I need to have an x here. So negative 10x times x is negative 10x squared. Negative 10x times 2 is negative 20x. Put parentheses around it and subtract. We know we're off to a good start because negative 10x squared minus negative 10x squared is 0. 0 minus negative 20, that double negative becomes a positive 20x. And carrying down the last number, which is 7. Last time going through this process. X times what is 20x? That would be 20. 20 times x is 20x. 20 times 2 is 40. Wrap it in parentheses and subtract. And I'm running out of a little bit of space here. 20 minus 20 is 0. 7 minus 40 is negative 33. So our final answer is 8x squared minus 10x plus 20 minus 33 over the divisor of x plus 2. All right, so that wraps up 3.3a, looking at long division. You're now welcome to get started on the 3.3a homework assignment, applying long division, because you don't know if you really like it until you really start working with it. And these do get a lot faster the more practice you get. Even though it seems lengthy, you can do them pretty quickly once you get the cycle down. Thank you so much.